Next up, with pleasure, may I call upon Mark Dorman, Director of Croke Park, to come forward and say a few words. Thank you.
Mark Dorman is a native of Sligo. He's the head of stadium business here in Croke Park, and in his spare time he's completed dozens of marathons, not just in Ireland, but indeed across the continent of Europe. I was speaking to him earlier and he was very proud to do this.
Alaikum, G. Galir, Imagine, Kuji Park and Croke. You're all very welcome today to Croke Park Stadium on this very important day in the Muslim calendar. We feel very privileged and honoured to host the Muslim community here for the first time. We recognise the importance of your sacred festival, and we're delighted to be able to play a small role in it. The dignity and solemnity of today's ceremony is greatly enhanced by the presence of so many leaders of the interfaith community: Rabbi Zalman Lent, Archbishop Michael Jackson, Archbishop Jeremy Martin, and by the presence of His Excellency, the Ambassador of Pakistan. We extend a warm welcome to you also. Croke Park Stadium has been the home of Gaelic games since 1913. We have a capacity of 82,000, which makes us the third largest stadium in Europe. In an average year, we would welcome 1 million visitors to attend matches and events. Indeed, Croke Park has been at the centre of Irish life, as Roderick O'Connor, the Minister, mentioned. For over 100 years, we've hosted sporting and non-sporting events and religious events. Our motto is where we all belong, and we feel that having your celebration here today is living proof that this is a place where you belong too. We strive to ensure that the barriers to full participation in Irish society are broken down for all communities. We salute and thank the many members of the Muslim community who have played a huge role in keeping us safe over recent months. Your community has shown selfless dedication in the delivery of healthcare. Many of you working on the front line, and your contribution is greatly appreciated. On this blessed occasion of Eid, we wish you and your families joy, peace, happiness and prosperity, and a very warm Eid al-Mubarak. Garev Mahargav. Shukran.
A warm round of applause for the GA official.
Thank you very much,
Dorman.
Mark, for your kind words. You and your team has been an integral part of making today possible. We are thankful to the faith leaders who have